how to level up fast in Goblin Miner. So reaching level 90. As you can see, we are currently at, you know, the lowest level, level 1. But it's a pretty simple game. There's very much similar games to this. We're just going to go ahead and lower our volume for now. But here's the key tips you're going to need to put in mind if you want to level up or reach level 90 as fast as possible. Not your Goblin level, not your, extra other levels, your map level. So the first things you can do is to merge your goblins as much as possible or whenever possible. Since the goblins, when they are on a higher level, they're much stronger when they are, compared when they are separate. So it's more than double their own strength, unless you are our game crash. But we have this very similar game to Goblin Miner. We have Goblin News over here. Again, very similar game, pretty much almost a copy. But as we were saying, a merge goblin is much stronger than if they weren't merged together. So more than double the power. So it's much better if you do that, unless you're trying to break two items at once and you're gonna go AFK, then there should be value to that. But if you're focusing on mining a single um, obstruction or a single object, then definitely do your best to merge these goblins as much and as strong as possible. Anyways, the next thing you can do is to upgrade your labs and rooms. Just make sure you're using everything you can, nothing going idle or AFK, since they're only there to help you. Next, if there are any kind of limited or special events, use them, extra rewards, extra XP, and pretty much just makes the leveling faster. You also gonna make sure you're keeping your mines running and you're collecting your idle rewards. So there is a maximum amount of idle rewards you can get. So just try rejoining the game every time you go idle until it's at its maximum capacity. So you can save your premium resources for higher levels as well, like your gems. If you're using them at a lower level, you're getting rewards for a lower level. So make sure you're gonna save those for later, since their value technically does increase the further you go into the game. Anyways, you can note that reaching level 90 can be very demanding, especially if you are doing it for a timed reward offer, if that's what you're going for, and if you are also just free to play. Recent player feedback shows that high levels can slow down very heavily, so from higher levels, the longer it will take, of course. So it may not be realistic when every offer deadline without substantial progression boosts, like, purchases and someone. But hopefully these tips can help you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.